And just a few miles outside Boston, where Courtney was, football season returns with Tom Brady and the New England Patriots taking on the Pittsburgh Steelers. And tonight's kickoff follows a tumultuous offseason. Eric Chemi in Foxborough, Massachusetts, has more on the big business of the NFL and where the game's biggest growth is coming from.
Despite the off-field issues, the business behind the NFL is still strong. More than 200 million viewers tuned in last season. That's an average of 19 million per game. With so much decline across television, NFL ratings are bucking the trend, continuing to climb, up 25% over the past decade, according to Nielsen. This audience is what networks are paying billions for. League revenues are $10 billion per year. Big TV deals mean even bigger team valuations. The 32 NFL teams have an estimated value of $46 billion, according to Forbes. That's a 23% jump in 1 year.
The National Football League will continue to thrive, and the sheer volume and economics prove that it is a juggernaut.
The Patriots and quarterback Tom Brady faced much negative attention this offseason, yet even their merchandise sales have seen huge spikes. Brady gear is selling at nearly triple the rate since his suspension was lifted, while the team numbers are up 63%. Ticket prices also continue to climb, up another 3% this year, according to TickIQ. That's big relative to an economy seeing very little growth. But the biggest growth is coming from daily fantasy games. Companies like DraftKings and FanDuel are spending hundreds of millions of dollars trying to get new customers. In fact, DraftKings is currently the #1 spender on TV advertising in the country, more than household names AT&T, Ford, Geico, and Warner Brothers.
This business of fantasy will be mentioned in the same breath, and at least from an advertising perspective, in the same way that the beer and the automotive and the fast food quick service, those genres are now being mentioned.
If the NFL can manage its way through its off-field issues, there are a lot of fans out there and money to be had. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Eric Chemi in Foxborough, Massachusetts.